A Nation of Parks by Kristen Kishore. What is the National Park Service? The National Park Service began in 1916 and is a group that is in charge of caring for all national park areas in the United States. Over time, the service also began caring for seashores, battle sites, and historic buildings, like the Lincoln Memorial in Washington, D.C. Big or small, natural or man-made, living or non-living, the National Park System works hard to protect the treasured places in the United States, so these special places will not disappear. All National Park Service areas have this symbol on their signs: Yosemite National Park. Why were the national parks created? In 1870, a group of explorers spent time in an area of the United States called Yellowstone. They enjoyed its beautiful rivers, canyons, forests, mountains, and geysers. Sitting around the campfire one night, they came up with the idea of making the area a park that all Americans could enjoy. They wanted to keep its natural beauty from being changed. The United States government agreed, and in 1872, it named Yellowstone as the first national park of the United States. Since then, all national parks have rules to protect the land, animals, and plants. Visitors to the national parks must obey the rules. National Park Trivia. Who was President of the United States when the first national park was created? Yellowstone National Park. A geyser needs water, heat, and pressure to work. Hot rocks underground heat up the water. Hot water and steam spray upward through cracks in the earth. Boiling water and steam burst out of the geyser vent. Hot rocks, underground water, cracks, geyser vent. Are all national parks the same? Our national parks are actually very different. The United States is a big country with many cultures, landforms, climates, and ecosystems, and our parks represent all of those things. There are 417 areas that are cared for by the National Park Service, but only 59 are called national parks. These national parks protect natural wonders like the volcanoes in Hawaii and the coral reef in the ocean at Biscayne National Park in Florida. All around the country, there are parks with lakes, mountains, rivers, oceans, deserts, caves, and even sand dunes. You could say that the United States has a park for almost every kind of nature. Biscayne National Park. Alaska is a big state, and it has many national parks. Mountains, active and inactive volcanoes, earthquakes, glaciers, and some of the most dazzling landscapes in the world can be found in Alaskan national parks. These parks also have incredible animals like bears, mountain goats, moose, whales, seals, and eagles. The Wrangell St. Elias National Park in southern Alaska is the biggest national park in the U.S. 6 Yellowstone National Parks could fit inside of it. 2 Alaskan national parks are located above the Arctic Circle and can get snow in the summer. Other Alaskan parks include Denali, Glacier Bay, Katmai, Kenai Fjords, Kobuk, and Lake Clark National Park. National Park Trivia. How many national parks does Alaska have? Which state has the most national parks? St. Elias National Park. Which park is the hottest and driest? Death Valley National Park in California is one of the hottest places on Earth. In the summer, the temperature is often well above 100 degrees Fahrenheit. On July 10, 1913, it was 134 degrees Fahrenheit in Death Valley. This is the highest temperature ever recorded in the United States. Death Valley is also the driest place in North America, with less than 2 inches of rain per year. Amazingly, There is a lot of life in Death Valley. More than 1,000 kinds of flowering and non-flowering plants live there. Some have roots that reach down 50 feet to collect water. Others have small leaves and stems that do not let water escape. At night, the temperature in Death Valley drops. This is when many small animals come out of their holes to hunt. Death Valley National Park. Which park has the highest mountain peak? Denali is the highest mountain peak in North America. It is located in Denali National Park in Alaska. Denali is 20,310 feet high and was originally called Mount McKinley for President William McKinley. In 1915, Rocky Mountain National Park was created. Located in Colorado, it has 60 peaks that are over 12,000 feet high. The tallest is Long's Peak. It is 14,259 feet high. That's as tall as 11 Empire State Buildings. Shenandoah National Park was created in 1935 and contains 300 square miles of the Blue Ridge Mountains, located in northern Virginia. It has 2 mountain peaks that exceed 4,000 feet. These mountains are older than Denali or Long's Peak. Denali National Park, Rocky Mountain National Park, Shenandoah National Park.
So we are going to pause here, and you are going to use the Venn diagram to compare and contrast Death Valley National Park to Denali's National Park.